ओके जी, इसमें S8 से आपने 8 सल्फर गैशियस एटम कैलकुलेट. नाउ यू आर प्रोवाइडेड विद अ टेबल ऑफ एनर्जीज इन विच you are going to use this energy, and then you are going to use first electron affinity, and then you are going to use second electron affinity. That is, you need to use these three values. Why? I'll tell you. Okay, you are provided with first electron affinity, and this is the equation for first electron affinity. Sulfur by gaseous, by gaining one electron, become S1 minus, and its electron affinity minus 200. Second electron affinity, sulfur 1 minus gaseous, by gaining one electron become S2 minus gaseous, and electron affinity is given. And this is enthalpy change for the reaction, which is already given to you, plus 555. Now why we select these three equations, I'll tell you. Okay, now we need to calculate S8 solid enthalpy change to 8 sulfur gaseous atom. So we need to calculate this. In order to simplify our question, we just write it in this manner: 1 by 8 and 1 by 8 multiplied by 1 by 8, and we will get our equation 1 by 8 S8 goes to S gaseous. Now you can see our equation is simplified in this manner, and we divide it by 1 by 8 and we get this equation, solid to gaseous. Now we just need to rearrange our equation. So the first equation, in which 1 by 8 S8 solid plus 2 electron goes to S2 minus gaseous, and the energy is plus 5, and we have S gaseous here and S1 minus here, and in the resultant equation we need S gaseous here. So we will just flip this equation. We will write S1 minus here changes to 1 electron plus sulfur gaseous, and the value will be changed to plus 200. In a similar way, we have this equation. Because we don't need S minus 1 and S minus 2, we will use this equation, and we flip this equation because we need to cancel out. S2 minus here goes to S1 minus plus 1 electron equals to, this is given plus 5, and we will write it minus, value is plus 532, and we will change it to minus 532 because we flip the equation. Now when we solve this, we get 223 value, and since we need it for 8 sulfur atom, we multiplied with 8. You get the value of 223, but you are calculating for 8 sulfur atom. So when you multiply your whole equation with 8, it becomes S8 solid goes to 8 sulfur gaseous, and 8 into 2 to 23, and your answer is 1784.